He was checking while the fridge was making a noise, and then Jackson and Kayden decided they're gonna help. Are you helper, Oz? You good boy, you fixing?
I'll help.
You fixing
Now
it?
I'm gonna help Jackson.
You help Bobby?
Bobby's gonna help me.
Oh, you good boy. You little vlogger. Say hi guys.
Hi guys. Say.
You vlogging with the GoPro? That's cute.
Is it actually vlogging?
Nah. Hasn't got the card in it. So, I just bit my finger if I can get it. Right there. It's gone weird and here. I don't know what it was. Looking at so. If it gets too big, I'll probably have to go and get it looked at.
Today we're gonna prank Mum.
What's the prank?
Well, I'm going to draw on this with this Sharpie, and I'm going to do 4 layers, so and just roll it down her face and then do it across.
You think she's gonna sit there and let you roll it across her face? You have to lay down and shut your eyes.
Lay down how?
Just on the bed anyway, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, back.
Oh, back. It's on your face. It's a face massage. Shut your eyes.
Will not hurt.
No, it won't hurt. It's a
Don't
special
go there, go around the side.
special massage that Kayden invented.
It's still working. Yes. 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 It worked! It worked!
Kayden! Feel dizzy. I just did a mountain pile of washing that, folded it and put away. Anyway, I decided to try this shirt short thing that I got. I thought it was a shirt, but it's got shorts on it. Yeah, I'm just doing washing pretty much at the moment, but I've gone dizzy, so I'm just gonna lay down. But Jesse's taken Jackson to the shop, so I'm trying to make the bed. Guess who right here? Momo, get out! Out! Go. Alright, now that it's the day of the thing that I've been planning, I can tell you about it. Jesse's just taken Jackson for a drive. So let me turn this down. I organised like a little barbecue with his best friend and a few family members and stuff, just like small. And I've told him that we're just having a barbecue for tea. And he's like, why is there so much food? Like, he's asking a lot of questions, but I'm pretty sure he doesn't know. So that's why I'm rushing around tidying everything up and getting food ready and stuff. So yeah, he's taking Jackson for a drive to see if he'll go to sleep, because I want him to be not in a mood when people get here, and I actually want him to eat tea tonight because last night he didn't. But so I'm just rushing around cleaning up the house and stuff, and then I'm gonna make the salad. Alright, I'm gonna start cooking the barbie now. So I've got the sausages and kebabs on, and then I'll do the onions and the steak. Potato bakes are done as well. I've just turned the oven down, but yeah, just cooking. You're gonna play in the sprinklers, aren't you?
And wait.
So, hey bitch.
Hi, so Keandra just picked me up.
Hey grandma.
Hello.
Hey granddad.
Silly one.
Thank you.
Good job. Dusty sitting.
And this one? No?
Let's have a look. He's got the tent set up. See y'all. You say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. The tent's so cool. They love it.
My game room's gone worse.
Yeah, it looks pretty bad, eh? See ya. Thank you for coming. Got a little
What's up, Kdimoulas fam?
Yeah, boy, Keandra. Yeah, it's well on the ground. That's not proper.
Hopefully you won't need it soon.
Probably a bit better to watch than the real one these days.
Okay, welcome to Keandra's kitchen. This is hot water. Do not play with it, kids.
I'm stuck making 1,000,000 coffees.
It's only 9, chill out.
So I had to boil the kettle twice.
Will it work? Oh, it's working.
So you wouldn't expect road rage in there, would you?
Okay.
Special delivery service. There's books everywhere.
I didn't know for lunch, but no, I was too busy fighting off sharks.
Special delivery service. Special delivery service.
And there's another one, isn't there?
Special delivery service. Oh, I just stood on you.
Jim said you're coming back.
Special delivery sub. Grandad, yours. Grandad, you tease it.
Yeah. She asked us that doesn't bother me.
I like these ones, Kingston's.
I like the shortbread ones.
I like these ones, the Kingston.
Cream ones. Lower it down, yes ma'am.
Thanks.
Right, sit forward and sit.
Oh my, my arm's gonna fall off. Do you want one?
Sure.
Take them all. Do you want Becky?
Oh, no, you're talking. Thanks.
I'm gonna put them down here now, everyone else can grab them. Because my arm's gonna fall off.
Look, we're gonna be London.
Oh, yeah, you can.
You do one.
Okay.
Yeah, what?
Tommy, do you want to have a play?
Come on,
Keandra thinks it's weird to dip these, like these biscuit things, in coffee. But she's wild in.
No one breaks them apart. That's like breaking apart an Oreo. Who does that?
Oreos are nice though.
I want the Oreos.
Over here, Kay.
Kayden, go get one.
Oreos.
Yes.
Keandra thinks it's weird to break them in half. Like, it's not weird.
It is.
It's not. It's not.
I can't get the promotion code to work.
I can't get it. Well, that sucks. You just spent like 2 hours trying to get it.
No, okay.
There we go. I broke it in half.
The thing,
Oh, say when it's taken as well.
Down to Nabby's on Netflix.
oh, I nearly stood on it.
That one. You feel like bam, bam, bam.
Do it again, do it again.
Michael is getting Doritos and dipping. That is creepy. Who does that?
I did it for a meme.
I'm sorry.
Do it.
It was fun, bud.
Do this and drop it in there. Look, do it.
No, that's sacrilege. Do it, Michael. Do it. Try and do it. Here's what I mean.
Bruh. Ew. Zoom in for that. Hang on.
Oh, you're gross, man.
What you doing?
Who's that? Is that Ralph? I like men now. Ralph Wiggum. Okay, I've stolen Keandra's camera for now, and I'm vlogging. So, we're watching Kayden play Skate 3. Like, fuck. Look at this. He's awesome. Do a double kick. Do a kick flip.
Wait,
It's an ollie.
That was Ollie.
An ollie. Fuck. Ollie. That's a late kick flip. That's zoom. That's a. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's just not working.
Do you want to see this?
If you could read that, like, add me on Snapchat, I'll tell Keandra and I'll tell her to put it in the description.
Okay, so look, guys, have a look at this. I can write on the wall.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Go.
Wait, I need to start that.
Okay. Run, Kayden, run. Say mirror selfie.
Mirror selfie.
This is so cool. Okay, wait, ready? Say Snapchat.
Snapchat.
But here's the real problem.
Wait.
This is YouTube. Wait, let's go scare Mum. Wait, stay here, Kayden. Kayden, is she out there?
Where you going?
Is she out there? Go out there real quick.
And I thought
I thought you said gone. Quiet. Shit. Yeah, I shoot myself.
I'm vlogging her taking pictures.
You can be my little vlogger in training, so you can do stuff that I can do.
Yep.
Like on the birthdays and stuff.
Yeah.
Because I have to take photos as well.
Yeah, I gotta take this off.
Oh, it's crazy. Where's out?
He doesn't.
It's all yours.
Okay, I have a job to be Keandra's background vlogger or whatever. So that's a good job, isn't it? A background vlogger. I'd be getting this job today. What's the date today? Saturday the 25th of the 2nd, 2017. My first job. I thought you had to be 14 to get a job in Australia, but no, you don't. Look at how cool the sunset looks.
Let's look it out here. Like, normally it goes over there and it's like all orange and red and yellow and it looks so good.
Glad I can see that on the vlog. I'd rather He can go, Bob.
Click some photos. I got it to focus.
Go over rest, old man.
Yeah, I think so.
I've been playing
What's that into my leg?
Message just.
I'm just gonna sit down on the grass to do this. Ow. Okay, wait. So I get this zoomed out. Look at this. Like, see, you got Kayden there. He's throwing a basketball, and he's throwing it over the trampoline to Sam and Tommy. And then Jackson's just here. He's just jumping around. Hey everybody. Aww. Up. Harry, come here. Harry. Come here. Come here, Harry. Oh, you want belly scratch? Say hey guys, so.
When he says that?
Go. Say it.
Hello.
Hi guys, so today we're going to this.
Oh, sorry.
Wait.
Where'd you like?
Hello.
I want to bore you.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
Oh my god, it's a goth.
Hey kids, Josephine. You go next. Let's do something round.
Look pretty. Show.
Yes, thank you.
See you later.
Thank you for your vlogging.
Call me up tomorrow. I'll vlog more for you after school.
Creeper.
Say granny, say granddad.
Okay.
Granny's taking a pen. Is that allowed?
Yeah.
You don't have to come say goodbye again.
Can you flick the light on, Mom? She'll get it one day. Oh, he touched the vlog. How does it feel? Here comes Big Wheels. Make sure you don't trip or anything, man. See you, Granddad.
See you later.
Wherever you're, I'm taking me there.
Get out of my house.
Shut up. Shut up.
Nah, you can take him, that's
See
fine.
you, Poppet.
Goodbye, Kayden.
Bye-bye. I don't know whose that other pan is. This is
I think it's Mum's.
Keandra, did you see that?
What?
Where's my kiss?
Bye, Poppet.
Thank you for coming to Jesse's celebration.
Thanks, Jessie, for coming home so we got free food.
Oh my god.
Sky.
Thank you for to grab it out.
And stars. So pretty. You have a bath? You smell?
Next time, will
Alright, everyone's gone home, so I'm just giving the boys a bath. Then I'll get them in their jimmies and get them ready for bed.
I'm putting it on bed.
Because we have to get up super early because Kayden oh my god. Jesse has to be at work at like 10 to 8 I think or something like that. And Kayden doesn't have school till 8:45, so I've got to drop him off and then come back home for a bit and then take Kayden to school. So yeah, just bathing the children. Kayden Jackson's just chilling. I'm gonna wash him in a second. Cars. Cars, I think.
Yeah.
Daddy put on a movie for you. No, honey.
Hey, Dad, where's your pillow?
So you leave it in the car? Okay.
Thank you.
Your dad's pillow. Oh, you're cute. Look at him all snuggly, Dad.
Wait, my shirt.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
yeah. He likes to take his shirt off.
Clip my eyeball
Alright, make
out.
sure you get some sleep.
How I sleep.
Alright,
Alright, see you at 5:30.
you got early wake up.
Yeah,